Hi guys, we're back. I don't want to be super annoying because this is going to be very loud, which is why I already did it half of my hair. But I just wanted to review this hair dryer. This handleless hair dryer. I don't know. It came with these 3 parts, and these 2 are to like straighten your hair, and this is for like brushing it. But I don't have that brush right now, so we're gonna do it like this. But the thing is that I had my hair in a bun, and it was already like halfway dry, so like that's why I didn't straighten. But like for my hair, like this is pretty straight for like a blow dryer. Like what the heck? Like you could see like my hair was basically already. It like blew down my eraser from my calendar. So yeah, I know it doesn't look straight, but like from my hair, this is straight. And especially since like I started blow drying it when it was basically already dry. And it was super, super, super curly, but then it like still straightened. Like what the heck? Like not straight, but like, and then it was so fast. Like I straightened, I basically like I would be willing to like go to the gym and just put it up like this, you know, instead of straightening it forever and then just to put it up like this, you know, because my hair is like very, 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 very curly, and it feels like soft. Like it doesn't feel like it damaged my hair. And then I don't know if you saw me like freak out when I was doing this, because I was like, wait, like why is it getting cold? Because like at first I was looking for the cool switch. I was gonna say that one, but I started doing this side without recording it. And like, but there is a cool switch, so I guess you put cold here, and then you get hot. I don't know how that works, but yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, now I'm gonna like actually straighten it or just put it up, because I'm probably gonna try to put on a lace front wig later. It feels so soft, surprisingly, and it is pretty like straight. Like I would go to work like this. What the heck? Imagine if it was actually wet and like I had done it right. Okay, granted I didn't get the little baby hairs all the way, but that's pretty straight, if you ask me. Like, I have never been able to straighten my hair or whatever with the blow dryer ever. Like, my hair is too complicated and curly and crazy. I used to get bullied a lot for it. But yeah. Crazy. Okay, well, that was that. That was the Handleless Red by Kiss. Wow, that's the second review we do by Kiss today. Not sponsored. I'm just kidding. And this is it right here. I don't know how much it is originally because Justin got it at DD. Oh, it's originally $20 if you get it in store, but he got it at DD's for $12.99. So that's a bargain to me. And it feels like so soft. What the heck? Like, it is not doing it justice, you guys. And it even looks shinier. What the heck? Yay! Like, my hair feels so soft right now. Insane. Insane in the midbrain. Like, that's pretty straight, no? No? For my hair, and for a blow dryer, that's pretty straight. Look at, I felt like red today. Let me turn off my... Ew! It's a party, it's a party, it's a party, it's a quarantine party, it's a quarantine party. Sorry. Alright, well, that was that on that. Now I'm going to do an unpackaging, which I should have done before I did my nails, because I don't know how difficult this is going to be. Oh, there's, like... Stuff everywhere. Stuff everywhere, man. So let me not electrocute myself and go. Deuces. What the heck spilled? Crazy.